morning. Today is my off day. Day off ko kay mo pahuway. Labor Day good di mo pahuway kami 2023. Karon manoroy mi sa akong bata. Di ako diri off sa daghang buwak kay nalingaw ko nagtanaw. Guwapa kaayo ang mga buwak. Iwat sa nagbaligya mga guwapa. Nindot ko din lang bahay. Giagian ko sa amo sa bata kay ayong pinalig noan dong kato ilaha tawag ko hindi ingnan na nakuwat kong inday nang against the light hindi kana nindot ka dyan mas kayo ang bulak beautiful. Alright guys, see you a bit. Coffee, morning coffee.
Brian. I'm not dirty. I'm messy. I
Yeah,
know.
stop it. They don't want you anymore. So you had enough.
Kape-kape.
Hi, going to have our breakfast. Early morning. Early morning with our friend, a beautiful friend here, and my daughter, and our sir, busy, at saka si Inday Ednar. Alright. Sa farm
When I went to England,
kaibigan.
I couldn't believe that. And the dog,
Cooking.
it was 24 hours.
Nahatid kami sa tumit sa bus.
It is
Yeah.
and the car needs service.
Maintenance.
Kami sa loob ng bus. Hi guys! Labas din pag may time. Dito ako sa buwas na sasakyan namin.
Maninigil ako. Bayad ba?
Ang bilis naman maningil.
Ayun o, si Papi, tignan pinagkukuwanan kaya kailangan anong
Siya, ba't ka? Driver
is
is
birth of
announcing.
Aphrodite. It's, the one is for Robios and the other is for Aphrodite. They say in winter time, when it's cold too much,
Ang
if you
driver.
like to be young forever, you can swim 20 times round to the rock of Aphrodite. But only if it's malamig too much. It's normal because after you become ice and you die, so you will be young forever.
Hi, so now all young forever.
The winter time it is cold. If you go to swim 20 times, what do you think you are in the life? So forever you are young.
Hope so. Dito na kami sa Aphrodite Hills. Aphrodite Rocks. Excited ang lahat. Excited sa lahat.
Look. Oh, yes.
Parang baka. Parang baka nagina. Nakatuwa.
Lagi naman.
Yes.
Maganda talaga.
Talaga.
Oh, you see, oh. Ebo.
Yan ang Aphrodite.
And inside, okay?
Guys, dito na kami. Bumaba kami ng first destination namin. Mga kasamahan, hindi pa nakababa. At dito ang Aphrodite rocks. Yan ang hindi makuan. Sige, sige. Ayusin nyo! Nak! Isa naman hindi. Sino ba pinipicturan mo? Maganda talaga dito. May likod nga nakasali. Taking a photo with them.
Uy, mga turista sila.
Masaya ang mga turista.
Sige, one picture ba? Tara na.
Yan ang Aphrodite rocks na yan.
Teka na. Marami pa sa baba. Wala nang naiwanan? Yes, may nandito lahat, kumpleto.
Nandito na po. Balik na naman sa car.
Because she got to make photo. No, she got. No. After the
Ang gandang tingnan. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Na bahay.
See how it's beautiful. Forget
5 minutes drive. Not 5 minutes. 10 minutes or 15. Something like that.
It was nice here, yes, for photo.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat sa Philippine Airlines. Yes. The small one is not the small. This is the middle is the rock for Aphrodite. So there you can go 20 times.
Sa YouTube ko ito i-upload.
Yes. So we give you the
Parking. Punta kami sa baba. So we're going down. Down. Yan ang bus na sinakyan namin.
Sana yung dalawa. Hoy, Tess!
Don't worry, I know how to go down. Pababa. Yan, ito ang daan, ano. Another steep.
Ang ganda, oh! Hoy!
And dito sa loob. Small tunnel. Punta kami sa small tunnel. Ayan. Dito na kami. Palabas. Yan ang Aphrodite rock na yan. Nak, mag-picture ta na. Sarap maligo. Yan ang pinaka.
Country of...
Is that the rock? That one? Or the other one? The Aphrodite rock. Is that the one? That is? That... Parang walang alam din ang tao. That one. I think. Bato. Wala pa kayo picture na. Ayan yung dalawa, oh. Ang busy nilang magpipicturan. Isang part to sa Cyprus, ang famous na binibisita ng mga foreigner tourist spot here in Aphrodite Rocks. Another position. Uy, video pala. Gikuda ka na po kunin mo na ka. Ayan. Tingnan mo lang yan. Sino yan nakatago dyan? Gipuan na ang uban. Yan, daghan ng tao. Daghang tao ron nga nag-travel. Mayroon din gustong maligo.
이제 여기 대생 쪽에서 이게 커피
Punta ako doon. Mayroong taong umakyat sa taas talaga. Oh. Ayan, may tao doon. Yung tatlo kong kasama, ayan. Nagpusing-pusing. Time to go back to the bus. Tapos na kaming muni-muni diyan. Bye-bye muna.
Oh, yun lang. Kapag malakas ang tubig.
Tunnel. Madilim.
Malago ang mata ko. Ay, naku, hindi ko na makita ang daan.
Madilim na liwanag. Madilim na araw. Aray ko. Buti nga walang bayad. Sa atin ako. Oo.
Kasi ba, mahirap yung may bayad.
Kaya nga. Free lang. Free. Free lang dito.
Dapat na pumuntahan natin free.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Parang free naman ata. Dito na kami sa bus. Hey. I'm going up. I'm going up.
Taxi.
Hi, Mr. Driver Guapo.
1 minute, I take out the mask.
Oh, okay, okay. This is the man
Yeah.
who drive us anywhere. Thank you. Going to another place. To Papos.
Hindi ka nag-aalam ninyo. Ay,
Everyone is happy.
kasi agad. At least,
Are in Papos, where I learned how to drive here.
And we are in in Bafos, my ladies. This
Yes.
is Bafos.
Thank you, Mr. Driver. So, ang Papa's where I learned how to drive here. Ito ang
Here
pangatlong
is the new mall of Bafos.
New
Have the big
mall.
one
Onion Mall.
in the Bafos, Kato Bafos.
Ito ang pangatlong lugar ng Cyprus. Merong Nicosia, Limassol, Paphos at Larnaca.
The new city, the hotel, the tourist area,
Yeah.
everything. So now I pass from Bafos, so you will see the square. I will show you. So to see something, not just I bring you diretso sa top of the king. and you
Salamat
don't look
po.
nothing.
Salamat po. Ay, nako, napaka-sweet naman sa driver. Sweet lover, sweet driver.
Without sugar.
Nakakatuwa yung driver. Sweet lover.
Here is monument here. 1955 to 59.
The driver
Cypriot, the Greek Cypriot,
let us know
with the
the story about
1 minute.
Cyprus.
Always my brother, Saudi Arabia.
This is Kato Paphos.
Bahay nga nangyayari ko sa wala ko siya sa
Part of Paphos.
Sa taxi pa lang pag kamagastos na yun, no?
So, bye. Iturog mo lang.
Buwad-buwad pa sila pang gabi.
Oo.
All the tourist area. Then we go to Limanaki.
Ang bilis na ubos yung battery ko kasi
Limanaki is the harbor, the small harbor. And we call Limanaki, Limani.
Malit pa yata ito kaysa yung sa Macau.
Bafos. So you say I was in Limanaki, yeah. How Dimo?
we are good, thank
No,
you.
green t-shirt. Green, you.
You don't know that you have green t-shirt?
Ah, it's it.
Okay.
Please give us.
No, green.
Meron is a
Meron may isa.
to look who have green t-shirt.
Top of the king. You're the king.